All this is going on at once: design, scale, compressed timelines, and regulatory requirements. What's the result? Consider this magic triangle of factors converging to form a perfect storm for supply chain capacity. Battery technology is changing and improving rapidly. We've seen this in both performance enhancement and regulatory requirements. Lithium-ion is the core technology of today, with many recipe developments to improve capacity and charge-discharge times. And what's next? Solid-state batteries are on the horizon. While none are ready for mainstream production, their arrival could shake up existing supply chains as companies pivot to attain the most competitive technologies. Second, as we've discussed, battery assembly projects take 2 to 3 years from project start to full production ramp-up. Batteries are complex, multidisciplinary programs requiring substantial capital and time investment. EV batteries are integral to vehicle design and need SOP timing that aligns with the remainder of the vehicle chassis. Third, automated assembly lines can be challenging to alter if not engaged early enough. For example, what if solid-state batteries come into the market? Will the existing product design roll the latest technology into the current form factor, or will these new batteries take on an entirely different shape? This makes an automation project a moving target, and as a result, programs with more than 400 change orders are not uncommon in the production landscape. Battery packs are not a commodity. They require full vehicle system integration and analysis to be successful. And with so many interdependent elements, change is inevitable. If the automation equipment can't adapt to an evolving product, tooling can quickly become obsolete. This could throw the development of an electrification program into chaos and put the automaker behind the 8 ball while others are rapidly consuming more significant market segments. Battery pack assembly is not a solved problem, and there is a lack of capable supply base to mitigate supply chain risks. Not addressing these risks early in the development can leave some automakers with nowhere to turn if Plan A does not work.